In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to your Amazon account. This is a great way to share benefits, manage purchases, or keep track of household consumables by bringing your family members onto one account. Let's dive right in and make that happen without any fuss. First, we need to start by signing in to your Amazon account. Visit Amazon's website and enter your login details if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, hover over your account and lists in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, click on your account to access a wide range of personalization and management options. After you've clicked, search for the section labeled Amazon Family or Manage Your Household and open it up. This is the hub where you can manage and personalize family access and features. At this stage, you'll see the option to add members of your family. Amazon provides 3 options tailored to suit your household composition. Add adult, add a teen, or add a child. Let's talk a bit about each of these options. Adding an adult involves either sending them an email invitation or letting both accounts log in together to verify the connection. Sending an email is straightforward. Simply enter the email address of the person you wish to invite, and they'll receive an easy-to-follow invitation in their inbox, guiding them through the steps to join your household. Ensure that this is the email associated with the person's Amazon account for the process to be seamless. Alternatively, choosing to log in together requires that both of you be present, and it's a quick and secure way to verify and merge accounts. For teens and children, the process is slightly different. Adding a teen might involve sharing a bit more oversight, such as review rights over their orders. As for adding a child, Amazon will not require email verification, but you can provide a name and birthday to create a profile within your household account. It allows you to manage their access to media and other family-shared elements effectively. Once the person has accepted the invite through their Amazon account by clicking Accept, you'll see them listed under your household account. Now comes the exciting part: setting up which benefits or digital content you want to share between accounts. Amazon allows shared access to eligible ebooks, audiobooks, apps, and games, and you can even share some Prime benefits with adult members like Prime Video and Amazon Fresh. Taking the time to configure these sharing settings ensures everyone gets the most out of your account without compromising security or personal preferences. And that's it. You now know how to seamlessly add someone to your Amazon account and start sharing your account benefits effortlessly. Thanks for joining today, and remember to check out our other videos for more helpful tips.